Tim Moore here with TLC Floor Care, and we are downtown, or very close to downtown. That's Nissan Stadium just getting built, the new one. Behind us, the old one, and we're doing a carpet at a hotel. This is the first service, so it's really dirty. And the thing about it is, though, is it hasn't been done properly in a long time. The maintenance guy has a small machine that's probably like a rug doctor, but we came in here with a lot of chemicals, a lot of heat, and a lot of flushing and a lot of fans, and we got it back to normal, or what it should be. And then their goal is to do this lobby area quarterly, and then the rest of the hotel at least twice a year. We'll see how that works out, if they can get that approved. But anyway, that's where our downtown Nashville, Tim Moore, TLC Floor Care and Pressure Washing.